Scientific notation. Scientific notation, also called standard notation. When a number is very large or very small, we can express such number in standard form such that power of 10. That is called scientific notation. For the measurement, when there is some number which is very large, greater than 10, or very small, less than 1, then we can express such number in power of 10. A number is written in scientific notation when a number is greater or equal to 1 but less than 10. Now the question is that why we can write such number in standard form? When number is less than 1 or greater than 10, then why we can write that number in scientific notation? So there are some reasons to write it in scientific notation. Number first, to reduce the chance of error. Because when we write a number in scientific notation, error is minimized. In large number or in small number, must some errors occur. Number two, to look that number standard. If we write a small number or large number in scientific notation, then its expressions or its looks is very standard. Number third, to reduce the space. Because if we write a large number or very small number, they can take many space on the paper or some things on which we can write. Number 4, to minimize the time of writing. If we have write a large number or small number, then it can take more time. But if we write such number in standard form, then it can take a less time. Now the method. Now how we can convert a number into scientific notation? What method is used or what procedure is used for it? Scientific notations is represented by n, where n is taken from notation which have some power n. So the equation which is used for the scientific notation is n is equal to m into 10 raised to the power of n. Here m is represent the mantissa or the coefficient value. If we have a number which is greater than 10, then we move the decimal point to the left and put after first non-zero digit. If you move the decimal to the left, then the power is taken as a positive. For example, consider the large number. This number contains about 6 zeros. If you move the decimal left and put the decimal after first non-zero digit 1, so the number is become 1.20000 meter. Here the power is obtained as n is equal to 7, because if we counting the number after the decimal, there are 7 and the mantissa is 12. Now we can write it in scientific notation. N is equal to m into 10 raised to the power of n. So the value of m mantissa is 1.2 and the power value n is equal to 7. So the number is become n is equal to 1.2 into 10 raised to the power of 7 meter. Similarly, if you have a small number which is less than 1, then we move the decimal point to the right until non-zero digit. For example, consider small number 0.00000012 meter. If you move the decimal to right 7 times, we get 0.000001.2 meter. Then the power n is equal to become -7 and the mantissa is 1.2. Now we can use the equation n is equal to m into 10 raised to the power of n. So the number become n is equal to 1.2 into 10 raised to the power -7 meter. So in this way we can write a small number or large number in scientific notation.